Hi, it's Kayla from Kayla Ray Vinyls, and today I'm going to show you how to apply nail decals. So for this you're going to need your set of decals. I have these cupcake ones. You're going to need a pair of tweezers. You don't need your good eyebrow tweezers for this, just a pair of junky old tweezers will do just fine. And a non-quick dry top coat. I like ones that claim to have some kind of gel effect. I find that they keep the decals flatter and last longer. Whatever you do though, don't use a quick dry, because quick dry top coats will shrink and lift the edges of the decal and make them peel off. So I'm using this one from the Revlon Colorstay line, but any non-quick dry top coat will work just fine. So first, you're going to have to lift your decal using your tweezers. Just sort of work around the edges until it peels up, and it should come up easy as that. Apply the decal wherever you like on your nail. You could do this with clean fingers if you like, but I find that with the tweezers it prevents you from transferring any oils or dirt to the back of the decal, which will prevent it from sticking properly. So once it's on your nail, just use your finger flat across and press the decal down, making sure in particular that the edges are really good and flat against the nail. So once that's done and you have it positioned exactly where you want, take a fairly generous but not super thick layer of top coat right over top, making sure that you really get those edges that can lift. So after you've applied your top coat, if you notice that you can still sort of feel the outline of the decal underneath the top coat, you can go ahead and apply a second coat. After a couple of minutes you should be good to go, and your decal should last for days. So thanks for watching. If you like this video and you'd like some more information on how you can apply and use Kayla Ray Vinyls, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.